In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to download everything from your iCloud storage directly onto your iPhone storage. Let's get started. In case you don't want to use iCloud anymore and instead want all your photos, videos, messages, and other data stored locally on your device, this guide is for you. Launch Settings. Click on your Apple ID, then scroll down, navigate to the option iCloud. This is where all your cloud storage and syncing options are managed. Now navigate to the section Save to iCloud, click on it. Now, if you want to download your iCloud photos and store them on your iPhone instead, go to iCloud Photos and turn off Sync this iPhone. When you do this, you will get an option to download your photos and videos to your device. Just make sure your iPhone has enough storage, because all your iCloud content will need to be saved locally before anything is removed from iCloud. You can also do this for other data as well. For example, if you want your contacts to be stored on your iPhone, simply turn off Sync option and choose Keep on my iPhone. The same goes for Safari data. You can select to keep it on your device instead of syncing with iCloud. Even messages can be managed this way by disabling iCloud Sync and selecting Disable and Download Messages, which will bring all your messages onto your iPhone storage. You can go through the entire list of apps and services in iCloud and turn off syncing for each one if you want everything stored locally instead of in the cloud. Once you have done that, your data will no longer rely on iCloud and will be saved directly on your iPhone. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.